Hi everyone. Today I want to show you a system that gives an overview of IT infrastructure. Let's answer a common question right away. Does BIM have to be 3D? I personally don't think so. In this case, the graphics come from Revit, but simple 2D scheme was completely sufficient for what we needed, so we did it that way. Let's start with something practical. For example, which PCs are currently unoccupied? We can just see a list of PCs here, click on those two, and we can see the locations. What about users working on outdated machines? We can find the lowest passmark scores for selected users and identify the outliers. Need to find all computers with 16 gigabytes of RAM, done with one click. Looking for a specific person, like for example where user 32 actually sits, also instant. Click on any computer and you get full specs: RAM, CPU, OS, everything in one place. Just to be clear, all of this is built on dummy data. That said, I'm curious which operating system should we stop using and why. Let me know in the comments what Easter eggs you found. And finally, the data collection is fully automatic. Check the related post to see how that works. Link in the comments.